But one lab draw that I tell people to look at is your FSH. That's your follicular stimulating hormone, meaning that that's produced by your pituitary gland. So it's basically saying when that level starts to rise, I say look around 25, 30 or something. When that level starts to rise, it means that your brain is trying to tell your ovaries, I need to stimulate, make more follicles. I need you to produce more hormones, need more eggs. And then if that level keeps going up, it's like your brains keep yelling, can you make more eggs? Can you make more eggs? Just to simplify it, I need more hormone. And so it's like the ovaries is like, I'm on vacation. I'm not responding. So when that level continues to keep going up, that's a sign that you're right there at this menopause or your menopause or at that hormonal transition, and that your body is no longer making those eggs like it used to when we were young.